Illustrator has a great new feature for creating object mosaics from pictures that are loaded in. Before a picture can be converted to a mosaic, it needs to be rasterized. But you can do this using the Object Rasterize menu command. After enabling the settings and hitting OK, the image is rasterized so that Illustrator recognizes it as a pixel image. You can also rasterize Illustrator objects and paths using the same command. Once it's selected, you can then use the Object Create Object Mosaic command. This identifies the size of the current selected bitmap, and you can also specify the number of tiles to use and the spacing between the tiles. You can also have it constrain the ratio of the width and the height and specify a resulting color. By default, the original raster is kept around, but you can enable this option to delete that as well. You can also have it resize using the percentages. After hitting OK, Illustrator does some thinking, and then the image is converted to a series of tiles. If you want to revisit the number of tiles or the spacing, you can simply undo and use the command again. The mosaic will take some time depending on the complexity of the image that you are trying to convert.